Welcome to our tutorial on the target feature available in the Performance Objectives and Performance Trend dashboard gadgets of the app. Performance Objectives app does more than simple charting. It allows you to set and track performance benchmarks directly in your Jira dashboard, no data exports, or spreadsheets needed. In this tutorial, we'll cover the percent change target type. It is great for period-over-period analysis, like comparing the number of bugs raised in Q4 versus Q3, or sales in January versus December. You can also use it to track how two metrics relate and set a target for one based on the other, such as comparing time estimates to actual time spent. Let's look at a number of bugs quarter-over-quarter report created using two data sources for the two quarters. We've grouped the data by source to visualize the number of bugs created each week of quarter in a side-by-side timeline. If you want to visualize whether the number of bugs has decreased in Q4 compared to the previous quarter, you can use the percent change target type and set, for example, a target of a 10% decrease in Q4 compared to Q3. First, clear the grouping and select Q4 data for the metric calculation. Then, enable the target feature and choose the percent change target. Enter the percent change value, 90% in this case, for the number of issues metric. This means you aim for the number of bugs in Q4 to be 10% lower than the value from Q3. Select the exceeding is bad option to flag results where Q4 bugs exceed the target, signaling the goal wasn't met. In our example report, the team did not achieve the 10% reduction target, and the result is highlighted in red. Another great use of this target type is to compare the value of two related metrics. For example, if you want to improve your estimation accuracy by reducing the gap between the original estimate and actual time spent, you could set a target like, I want the actual time spent to be no more than 5% over the original estimate. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this report, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.